Tell me what happened.
I remember it like it was last night. We were driving, and there was another car. I told my brother he's gonna turn. He fucking turned right into us! So no, we didn't get to see the Hobbit at midnight. Frodo!
I think the movie's about Bilbo, actually.
Frodo's my brother, you asshole! If a guy just uses signal, he wouldn't be dead. Hi, I'm actor Cassidy Mitchell. 7,050,000,000 people die every year because they fail to use a signal. Remember, one flip of a switch can save a trip to the cemetery. So make that next left, right.